Before start modeling elements in this course, let's open a sample file to get a better idea of how a project looks. Click on File, then go to Open, and find the option at the bottom of this list. I'm going to choose this one, RAC Basic Sample Project. Open it. And you can see this is very complete. Even they call it basic. So, by default, it opened the tab A001 title sheet. This is actually one of the sheets that we prepare for printing. Then we have different kind of views here. For example, floor plans. Let's open this level 1. Next, we have a floor above, level 2. Below that section, there are 3D views. For example, a kitchen. This is an aspect of the solar analysis. Or we can also have a general 3D view. Below, we can see the elevations. And then also other type of views that we usually have in our projects. Sections, detail views, or even renderings. Below, you can see the schedule tables, which include a list of learning topics from the sample project. This is actually quite interesting, and if you want to explore a topic further, simply select it, open the corresponding view, it's the floor plan level 1, and look for the highlighted Help button. Select it, and in the properties you will find the learning link to the Autodesk website, which can be useful for a deeper learning. Finally, we have print-ready sheets, which can include views from the project. One important tip: when a checkbox in the project browser is blue, it means that the view is at least included in one of the sheets.